certification bodies and testing laboratory. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes. So let's go.
Today, the heat pump market is growing, and so is the need for comparable and credible information. Independent third-party certification like the Heat Pump KEYMARK can ensure that this information are tested by independent experts, not only relying on performance data. This creates a level playing field for the industry, supports policy targets, and helps consumers making the right choice. In brief, it creates a trustworthy framework for everyone. When we started, Heat Pump KEYMARK was just a small initiative, and it was about 10 years ago. And now, with over 2,800 certificates and 10,800 certified models, this growth is directly linked to the quality of third-party certification. Today, the Heat Pump KEYMARK is the reference third-party certification in Europe.
The Heat Pump KEYMARK is built on independence and transparency. For manufacturers, it's a way to demonstrate that their products meet Europe's highest quality and performance standards, verified by third parties. For the consumer, it's a reassurance. When they see the KEYMARK label, they know that the product has been tested and certified by experts, not just a self-declaration. The KEYMARK is a symbol of trust, confidence in an increasingly complex market. We're proud to see that the Heat Pump KEYMARK certification has established itself as a robust proof of trust across Europe. It's not just about the certificate numbers, it's about the community that we've built. The certification bodies, testing laboratories, and manufacturers all work together to build trust in a sustainable heating technology. As we're reaching this 10-year milestone, we're happy to see that the Heat Pump KEYMARK certification stands for transparency, confidence, and cooperation. These values are more important than ever as heat pumps are playing an increasingly crucial role in Europe's energy transition.
Testing laboratory plays a major role during initial testing and also then in the surveillance. There is also added value because we are checking the unit serial number and it has to match the one which were reported by certification body. We have also regular meeting between the recognized testing laboratory where we can discuss change of the standards, some improvements and also challenges we are facing during the testing. Certification body provide us with document which is called Annex L, and that's the list of the testing points. So we are following this test plan. And during the testing, the unit has to fulfill the declared value which are written in the Heat Pump KEYMARK database. Also, the KEYMARK knows that each unit can slightly differ, therefore there are some tolerances, and the unit has to fulfill these tolerances. After the testing, this certification body gets the test report and then they act accordingly.
Certification body oversees the whole certification process, testing, auditing at the manufacturing site and checking the technical documentation. Also, to ensure that the certification scheme is forever improving and there are no gray areas or any loopholes, the certification bodies come together several times per year to share their experiences and discuss any open topics that may occur over the year. Transparency and fairness in the certification process comes through independence, clear rules and procedures. Every step follows European standards and all requirements are fully traceable and found online. Both the laboratories and the certification body is regularly audited to make sure that the high standards are still at the same level. It is the most recognized mark throughout Europe, therefore it helps the manufacturers to save resources. Also, Heat Pump KEYMARK mark has a good name at the end customer, therefore it can help to increase the overall sales of the heat pumps. There is also a possibility to transfer the HP KEYMARK certifications into other certifications such as EHPAQ label or the MCS database. Both the laboratories and the certification body is being regularly audited to make sure that the high level is being kept. Finally, open communication helps to maintain trust, to ensure that the certification is reliable, fair and objective.